Hey y'all, we're out here in Everett where we're dealing up a fantastic multifamily building at 37 Union Street. With 8 bedrooms spread across 3 units, this is a fantastic offering for owner occupants or investors. With an A-plus location, 37 Union Street is situated around the corner from downtown Boston, the Encore Casino, and the future site of the New England Revolution's home stadium. The 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom units make for attractive options for renters, and the 5-bed upstairs could either be a high-yield rental or a beautiful home for an owner-occupant. So if you're looking to be dealt a winning hand, call me, Lou Gordon, with Century 21 Revolution. But don't wait too long, or this opportunity will be gone.